and Ava are building a den.
Yeah, that's it.
It looks really soft and cozy in there.
What a cool den.
Can I join you?
Yes.
Do you think I can fit?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Come on.
This is like camping.
Oh. Now let's see. Let's look up at the stars. What can you see?
I can see the constellation.
A constellation is a pattern of stars.
I can see the stars and the beautiful light.
What colours are they?
They look rainbow.
Like a rainbow?
Yeah.
Stars that look like a rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, put your telescopes on. Using 2 hands for your telescope. Can you see any planet?
Yes. I can see Saturn.
Saturn. Wow. Should we tuck in?
Yeah.
I think it's bedtime. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sleep.
Dad wants to join in too. I hope he fits.
Wow.
Whoa! I think our den is falling apart.
That was too big.
Oh, goodness. Let's all go to sleep. Good night.
Night. There.
Everyone's cozy, but not for long.